I just got the call that the first load of aluminum is arriving at the shop today, and I am so excited. I'm heading right over there to check it out. We just arrived at JR Marine and we're gonna go check out the sheets. The sheets that we're gonna be using for this project are gonna be 50-52 stainless. These sheets are absolutely massive and they're about 20 feet by 5 feet. So the 50-52 aluminum, here it is, you guys. Check this bad boy out. This is it. The 50-52 aluminum shows up in sheets that are 5 feet wide by 20 feet long. What we're gonna be using on Dinghy 1 Kenobi is gonna be our 3/16 inch thick aluminum. And this is it. This is the first one on the cutting table and it's go time. Now that the boat design is well underway, the guys here at JR can start building out the base frame. I'm gonna go grab Ryan and we're gonna check out the computer-assisted routing table. This is one of the coolest pieces of equipment that I personally think they have here. It's unreal. Check it out, guys. Ryan will be at the helm for this part of the job before the finished cuts are handed off to Aiden and Milo. First, Ryan makes some adjustments to the routing machine based on the exact materials that are being cut. There are many different types of aluminum and they all have various characteristics. It's important to account for this so that the router can handle the thickness and speeds that have been programmed. In this case, he's adding comments that describe the bend direction and the degree of each angle. So the first step that we're gonna be doing is marking. Basically, we've just put a Sharpie in the router piece and selected that router. So I guess the first step is we're gonna be marking out the whole pattern before we cut it. The CAD system runs the felt marker over the plate aluminum, just as though it was making a cut. Once the information is traced onto the sheet, Ryan resets and gets ready for the actual cut. It's amazing to watch this thing work. Depending on the exact thickness, this system can cut up to 40 inches a minute with total precision. We are cutting right now on the table the first piece that ran into me right now. We're cutting the very first piece of the new rebuild right here. When the individual components come off the cutting table, they are absolutely razor sharp. I was so anxious to see the first piece drop into place, I asked Ryan if we could run it over to the shop and take a look. These pieces are initially dry fit into position to check for any last minute adjustments that may be required.
Now we'll cut the other plates. This will get welded.
Yeah.
And we'll start forming our
So
platform to build the cabin off.
at this stage, we really start to get a sense of how the cabin is going to look. It's so exciting to watch this come together right before my eyes. I can hardly wait for our next visit back here to JR Marine. That's it for this episode. Make sure to join me next time on Do It with Daryl.